This variation is not very hard to learn for the left hand, but it presents a lot of challenges for the right arm because you're playing the spiccato bow stroke, and your goal is to keep it as rhythmical as possible and also as smooth as possible when you're changing the strings, when you're going from one string to the next, or rather one set of strings into the next set of strings. The way this variation is written is you always go low string and then next higher string. So low, high, low, high. This is kind of the architecture of this variation. And in my personal opinion, doing the variants that Mr. Sevcik provides after the exercise in the book, there's 17 variants, are by a long shot a lot more valuable than the exercise itself. So once you learn the text and understand what's going on with the variant, I strongly encourage you to try the variants, because seriously, I do believe they have an incredible value for any violinist learning how to deal and how to navigate the difficult spiccato maneuvering during the string crossings. This is really all about that. So yeah, I'm not going to get into those variants here in this lesson, in this little video today, but if you would like to sign up for violin lessons with me, I'll be more than happy to help you with these variants, and we can look into every one of them with a customized approach for each individual student. So I encourage you to visit my website where you can fill out a form. The link is right here below. And let me know if you're interested in online lessons, and we can discuss how to go forward. Thank you for watching.